Now sometimes I get asked that when you take a photograph of your painting, the quality is not very good, is it? It's a bit dark, it's a bit grey for the background. Head to canva.com. It's a free website, you don't have to join or anything like that, you can if you want to. But I tend to use a free version anyway. Click on Create a Design and you can specify the size of the box or the size of the picture that you want. But that's ideal if you want to create something from a blank canvas in there. But let's do this another way, because what we need to do is upload the photograph of your painting to canva.com. So click on Upload in the top right hand corner, start from a file, and all this means is that all you're doing is pushing your photograph of your painting into canva.com. And once you've got the right file in there, all you need to do is choose Using a New Design and then Custom Size. And you find it will already populate the sizes that you need for your painting. Okay, so this is the size of the photograph you took. Once you've done that, it will load up in a brand new window for you, and then all you need to do is play with the image. Click on the image, and then you've got Edit Image in the top left hand corner there, and go to Adjust, and you can choose whatever you want. You can go for the Auto Adjust, which works quite well some of the time. It's still a bit grey though, isn't it? So what you need to do is play around with all the settings within here. So the brightness, the contrast, the highlights, the shadows, the whites, and a variety of other things as well. And see which one works well for you. It all depends on the photograph. It depends on how bright the sun is on that day. If it's a really dull overcast day, that can affect the photograph that you take as well. And also, cameras see what's called 18% grey. And they take like a mid-range brightness level all the time on the photograph. And that is sometimes why you get grey when you're taking a picture of some white card. Because it's the way that cameras are designed. It's the way that cameras tend to see the light. And certainly not the way that our eyes see the light either. Once you've got everything the way you want it, click on that share button to the top right hand corner. You can always go back to canva.com and re-edit that image as much as you want to, as well as many other things you can do on canva.com. All for the free accounts, by the way. Give it a try and let me know in the comments down below how you get on. Now if you know a website similar to Canva, also let me know, because I would like to have a look at that one as well.